Margo, I wanted to ask, what are the essential roles and components of a successful project management organization?
That would depend on what style of project management is being implemented and what makes the most sense for the team. However, I will say that without that solid and dedicated product ownership, a lot of teams can flounder in uncertainty and misinformation. An essential component would have to be a solid business strategy. It's difficult to develop a meaningful product without knowing your customer and what value it provides to said customer. Or perhaps, a technical architecture needs to be defined that supports and enables a business to grow. And then without it, the teams cannot move forward. But basically, in my opinion, these are the foundational roles and components that, if lacking, hamper success of any PMO.
Makes sense. Great insights.